Accelerator is the backbone of what we do.
One of the things I've been trying to promote is this idea that we need to optimize for being in a state of constant change. In the past, people would say, hey, I want to go from my current state to some future. It'll be uncomfortable, but when we get to the new state, it's going to be nirvana. And that's not the case.
I had a customer recently, and they talked about we need to adopt technology at the speed of relevancy. I love that because it says we can't do things the way we used to, which is plan a software or manufacturing project, and it would take months, if not a year plus. They need to know they can consume technology now and impact their business. And that's really the heart of what Siemens Accelerator is all about.
We know that the platform revolution is underway. And so here we are in a moment where you're bringing not only Siemens software, you're actually adding in the connected devices that are going to be transformative.
A lot of companies talk about digital thread. I think we have a unique way of approaching it. We really focus on building the digital thread on the customer process by industry definition. So we look at each of the industries we support. We look at those major processes of our customers. We map those out. On top of that, then we overlay the technology.
What you're doing is trying to solve the problem that everybody in the market has, bring those building blocks into the marketplace. One of the best examples I've seen is in battery manufacturing. What you all have done to give a new battery manufacturer the ability to design a cell that's more efficient, and then to build a process that cuts out the steps and maybe reduces the cycle time for delivery of the battery. But going further, then can automate the process of taking a used battery and recycling the component parts.
And the opportunity is we've spent so much time on the upfront concept, and now the opportunity is to bring all that to the shop floor and really democratize it. The Siemens Accelerator connected portfolio is exactly that.
What we're working on is the technology that will elevate the role of people everywhere, really expand what's humanly possible, so that we can produce the things the nation needs, so that we can answer the call for the future infrastructure.